My poor babies, they're freaking out. Hey, where are you going? They're going to the vet today, so we have them trapped in the room until we get their carriers. Poor babies. I think they know. Twubbies, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I know, you hate this. There's Tiger. He hates it too. But he's doing a little bit better. On our way out to the car, being a brave little man. Yes, he is. You want to go up there?
Yeah. Come on.
It's a little bit high for him. This one's not, but that one over there?
Oh, maybe she gets up there first and then over
You gonna jump? Oh, ooh, there you go. Did you almost fall?
What did you do? What did you do, huh?
He wants to be in like the cornerest place he could be.
They used to hide behind that cabinet, right?
He was trying to get in there and there's only like this much room. Wasn't gonna happen. Right, you can't fit in there, can you? Is Tubby still on his? Hi, babe. He's like, I'd rather be in here. The vet can't get me in here.
Hi. What?
Do you see something outside the window?
What's out there? Surprise. Surprise.
Look at the cute kitty all cuddled up in my blankets. Say hi, Twubbies. So spoiled.